Okay, this tip right here may be the only reason why you're watching this video. If you just installed your dash cam and basically it seems like it's frozen, like it's not doing anything, you're trying to adjust everything over here and maybe it's just cycling through like that and that's really annoying. That's because, see in the upper left, see that little key? You have to turn that key off. But in order to turn that off, you also need to stop recording. See that red blinking light? So first step is to stop recording. Click this OK button right up here on the upper right. Click, and you'll see that it stopped recording. Now, if that key remains, that means you need to go down to this lock on the right-hand side and click that. You will see that the only time that it is able to be locked is when it is actively recording. See? Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Okay, so anyway, back up to stop recording. There we go. So now that it is unlocked and it has stopped recording, we're actually gonna go and push the M button right there because we just want the big screen right there, okay? Now we're gonna go through the menu. So on the left-hand side, you can scroll up and down, but first you have to choose the menu in the middle. And we are going to go over to this option right here. We're gonna go down to park mode and you push OK over there to select it. Go down and we're gonna select OK. Park mode, I kind of like. If it's any indicator as to how this dash cam operates, if it gets jostled or something, then it will automatically start recording. Now, obviously there's no SD card in there, but it's kind of cool to have that park mode. Okay, so anyway, back to this. Put that park mode on, that's my recommendation. Down to, actually let's go to power off and we're gonna go down to 3 minutes. And then also screensaver, because I don't like the screen to be on all the time. We're gonna have that go, turn off the screen after 3 minutes once it powers up. Does that make sense? Okay, we're just gonna go down. We'll leave the beep on, we'll just keep going. We'll just keep going. And be sure to format it as well. So clicking OK, go down. See, I just click down over here. Click OK back up here. And give it just a second and it will format. Okay, awesome. All right, let's go ahead and click back by pushing the menu button. And so this is kind of if you wanted to play something back, but we don't want to do that. So let's go ahead and click the mode right over there. Mode, there we go. Oh, I actually see someone behind me. Oh, how interesting. I'm gonna have to adjust that rear camera back there because I'm getting a lot of sky, but you saw that there is a lady walking behind me. How cool is that? It's working already. Click the M button, M again, M again. Actually, we don't want that one. We're just gonna, there it is, cool. So in order to access the actual resolution stuff, you need to be not in playback mode, you need to be actually in record mode. So keep clicking the M until you can then click the menu over here, which allows you to access the resolution, loop recording, things like that. So we're gonna access the resolution. We want it to be as high as possible, so let's just keep it at the above one up there. We're gonna go down to loop recording, and you know what? I am going to leave it at 2 minutes, that's fine. So basically your video files are gonna be 2 minutes in length when you put them on your computer, okay? All right, now we're gonna go down to exposure, that's fine. Motion detection, no, don't care. And we're just gonna, well, you know what? Yes, let's make sure that we are recording the audio. I think that's very important, especially if there's a traffic stop and there's a police officer talking with you. Now I have a lot of police officer friends, but it's just wise for all parties involved to always be recording. And let's just continue to go down. I don't really care about date stamp or G sensor. The G sensor is basically a feature that when it senses it gets jostled, assuming that it's a car wreck, then it will save that file and lock it. And you can pretty much not delete it unless you go nuclear and you format the whole card. I don't like that because there's a lot of false positives. You know, let's say I'm washing my car. Well, of course I'm gonna jostle my car as I'm washing my car, and it's just gonna fill up my SD card with what the dash cam thinks is a car wreck, and it's not. So we're just gonna keep going down. Resolution, loop recording, so as you can see, it just started over. If you wanted to continue over to the right, click the middle one, and now we've got our park mode, which we just already did all this stuff right here. So anyway, now we're gonna go back, click the power button over here. Oh, I'm sorry, the M. There we go. Cool, awesome, sounds good. Well, let's go ahead and play with this a little bit more so you can actually see there it is. Now it is recording, and we're gonna click the down. There we go. We want that mode right there. I like that one. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and look outside. Here we go. And so you can see I am about 3 feet away from the front of the vehicle. If I were to walk over in this direction, you will see whether or not I am still in the frame, and I'm way over there. And let's try the other side all the way over here. And there I am, like so. Now, you did see that the rear camera was pointed up a little high and I was getting a lot of sunshine and sky. So we're gonna go back there and, oh yeah, sure enough, it is cocked up a little bit. We're just gonna kind of put that down like so. Eventually, of course, I am going to either screw that in to the actual screw that I have there, or I am going to silicone that on. So if you have a trailer hitch, maybe you can put it onto that. But if I were to just temporarily situate it like that, I will do that. And then, of course, as noted before, I'm gonna put these cables tucked away that they look nice. All right, but for now, that is it. And I hope that you can see me, guys, back there. That is it. My name is Beau Chevasu. I will leave the link of this dash cam in the description below. Catch you later.